Welcome. Thanks for clicking this video. I'm going to share with you a movement called the revolving door. So this move is a variation and a build upon the hinge. So what it looks like is this. So we've started with the hoop in front of us. This is the hinge. Then as the hoop comes in front, we lift up our opposite leg, letting go over our head and our leg, and we pop out to the front frame where we began. This is a very simple move. I make it look hard and kind of fancy, but you've definitely got it down. Let me show you the breakdown of it. So what we want to do is start with the hoop closer to our body. We're going to have a little bit of a loose grip on the hoop with our fingers pointed upwards on it. We'll release with our right hand, letting it swoop around and making that catch. Releasing with our left hand, we're going to let the hoop go to the front and let it point straight out in front of us. With this, we're going to forget we have a left hand, and our right hand is going to do most of the work here. We'll lift up our left knee towards our chest. What this does is it keeps you over your center of gravity. If you lift your leg out to the side, you'll be less likely to hold your balance. And you don't need to kick your leg out. Legs can be heavy. That can be a bit of an awkward movement for some. So simply just lifting your knee to your chest, letting it go over your leg and your head, putting down your left leg, lifting up your right leg, and making the catch with the left hand. And you're at the beginning, framing yourself with your hoop. So this movement in real time, and I'll actually turn around for you so you can do it with me. So the hoop is here in front of us. We're going to open up our right hand, let it sweep around to the back, making the catch. Releasing with our left hand, letting the hoop come to the front, lifting up our left leg, letting go over our leg, over our head, picking up our right leg, and making the catch. And we're back to that front position. Some things to note is as the hoop is going over your head, lift up your left leg and keep it up until it goes completely over your head, then placing your leg down. If you put your leg down a little bit too early, you might bump yourself in the ear or head, and it can be uncomfortable. So leaving that leg up just a little bit to get it over your head, lifting up the other leg, and coming out the other side. Some playful variations for this is to let it go around, and as you're passing through your hoop, connect with your left hand. So you have two hands on the hoop. As you pop out, let go with your right, and the hoop actually arrives behind you. This allows you to continuously do this movement without skipping a beat. It's also really nice, so when you come to the back, lowering the hoop, you're right into waist hooping. So it also kind of works as a nifty little transition into on-body and off-body hula hooping. Thanks so much for watching this, and I certainly hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions. And happy hooping. Cheers.